Is your Tractive GPS tracker showing offline, no GPS, live tracking disabled, or not updating location at all? Then don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you the hidden hard reset method that fixes most Tractive tracker problems in a minute. And this method works for all models, which includes the dogs and cat trackers. And the best part, the reset does not delete your tracker's data or subscription. So before resetting, make sure the tracker has enough battery. Plug it into the charger first. Now here's the actual Tractive hard reset process. First, make sure tracker is powered on. You can press the power button once to confirm. If the LEDs light up or you hear a sound, it's on. Now while the tracker is connected to the charger, quickly press the power button 10 times in a row. Yes, 10 fast presses. If the reset works, you will see a blue flashing LED followed by another color. Once that happens, wait around 1 minute for the tracker to reboot properly. Once done, now comes the most important step that many people skip. So Tractive trackers need GPS signal and cellular signal, and indoors GPS usually struggles because roofs and walls blocks the signal. So after resetting, go outside with your tracker in your hand for around 10 minutes. Then open the Tractive app and turn on live tracking. This helps the tracker reconnect to GPS and network servers properly. Now another important thing, if your tracker says near you or live tracking is grayed out, then your tracker may be inside a power saving mode. In this mode, the tracker pauses GPS updates to save battery. So don't panic. This is actually normal behavior for many users. If your tracker still shows offline, no GPS, weak signal, health insights not updating, then repeat the reset process once more and test it outdoors again. And if this still doesn't resolve your issue, then kindly try to update the firmware of your tracker. And that's how you can fix issues with your Tractive GPS tracker. And if you found this video useful, then drop a like, hit subscribe, and follow for more tech tips. Thank you.